In this step-by-step tutorial, we will teach you how to parse a ManyChat invoice using PDF.co document parser. We will use this sample ManyChat invoice for this tutorial. To create a template, you must first log into your PDF.co account. Next, click the Document Parser menu. On your Document Parser page, click New Template. Then, load the source file that you're going to use for your template. To get the data, kindly click the Add Object button and choose the Add field from Rectangle selection. We will use the Add field from Rectangle selection to get the data of the invoice ID, invoice date, page, and total. After selecting all the data using the Add field from Rectangle selection, we will now add another object. Kindly choose the Add table from Rectangle selection to get the table data. Now, we're done setting up the objects. We will now run the template to see the results. Here's the result of ManyChat invoice that we successfully parsed data using the field and table rectangle selection. After you're done creating your template, you may now save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.